So some of you might not know this, but OnePlus just announced a brand new charging technology called Warp Charge. This is replacing dash charging going forward on all future OnePlus devices. Now it's supposed to be faster, and instead of doing a simple video showing you the speed differences between dash charge and warp charge, I thought this would be a great opportunity to show the differences between different charging technologies. Now some of these phones have different battery sizes, but I tried to get them as close as possible. On the right hand side, we have 3500 milliamps. This is the Pixel 3 XL and it's using quick charge. We have the Mate 20 Pro, 4000 milliamps and it's using supercharge. Of course, we have warp charge on the OnePlus 6T McLaren Edition, dash charge on the regular 6T, and finally 4000 milliamps on the Galaxy Note 9 using fast charge. So all of these batteries were completely drained to 0% to the point where I couldn't even power on the devices. After 10 minutes, the Galaxy Note 9 hit 13%, the OnePlus 6T at 19%, the McLaren 6T 26%, the Mate 20 Pro at 27%, and the Pixel 3 XL at 18%. Quite impressed to see the Mate 20 Pro already beating out the McLaren 6T. 20 minutes goes by, Note 9 24%, the OnePlus 6T at 35%, the McLaren 6T at 49%, Mate 20 Pro at 49%, and the Pixel 3 XL at 30%. After 30 minutes, the Note 9 goes up to 37%, the 6T at 54%, the McLaren 6T at 69%, the Mate 20 Pro at 74%, and the Pixel 3 XL at 46%. The Mate 20 Pro is already 5% ahead of warp charge. 40 minutes goes by, the Note 9 gets bumped up to 48%, the OnePlus 6T hits 70%, the McLaren 6T 84%, the Mate 20 Pro at 89%, and the Pixel 3 XL at 58%. So there's still a nice 5% gap between the Mate 20 Pro and the McLaren 6T. After an hour and 4 minutes, the Note 9 hits 75%, the OnePlus 6T 91%, the McLaren 6T 99%, and finally, the Mate 20 Pro hits 100%. It is the first phone to be fully charged. Now just 1 minute later, the Note 9 hits 77%, the OnePlus 6T hits 92%, and the McLaren 6T hits 100%. It's the second phone to fully charge to 100%. Now with the Mate 20 Pro and the McLaren 6T done, the Note 9 hits 81% after 1 hour and 11 minutes. The OnePlus 6T hits 95% and the Pixel 3 XL hits 86%. An hour and 28 minutes goes by, the Note 9 hits 90%, the regular 6T finally hits 100%, and the XL is sitting at 93%. But one thing to note is that the gap between the Note 9 and the Pixel 3 XL is shrinking. Finally, after 1 hour and 49 minutes, the Galaxy Note 9 hits 100% and ties it with the Pixel 3 XL. So quite impressed that the Note 9 with the bigger battery caught up to the Pixel 3 XL and tied in terms of charging time. So that wraps up this little battery test. Supercharge is still the king of charging your smartphone, followed by warp charge, then of course dash charge, fast charge, and finally quick charge. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know which one is your favorite phone in the comments down below. Follow me on Instagram for some behind the scenes. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next video.